Hey guys, it's Charity from ALoopandAHook, and today I wanted to bring you along as I am going to be working on some different things around the house. There's some organizing I need to do, going through some things I still haven't gotten to go through since I moved into the apartment with Colin about 7 months ago. I think it's about 7 months ago. I just haven't had the time to do that, and then just general tidying and things like that I haven't really felt like doing the past couple of days to a week, just because I haven't felt the greatest between being pregnant and having a cold. So I'm going to try to get caught up on those things today, and I wanted to bring you guys along for that. So as you can kind of see, the apartment's kind of messy. This pile right there, that is all things that I really haven't had a chance to go through, that have just accumulated since we moved in. So I want to go through that, see if there's anything I can get rid of, and then hopefully I can get that to be able to fit in our closet, which is already sort of full. But we're gonna see what we can get done, see if we can get the house clean, tidied, all that. Maybe I can get to the floor so I can vacuum, but we'll see how much energy and motivation I have today. For I'd say probably about 2-ish, almost 3 hours. It's been pretty solid. Bits of cleaning, not like sporadic where I'll sit down for like 15 minutes, do 2 things, and then like sit down for another 15 minutes. It's been actually pretty solid. Cleaning, going through things, all that stuff. I have listed a few things on Facebook throughout the time. I do have people coming tonight to pick up some of that stuff, which I am happy about, to get it out of the house, just move it, because I don't need it anymore. It's not blessing me. It's only adding to the stress and the mess of my house, and that is not something that I like nor need. So that's where we are at right now. Living room is looking a lot better. On this side, I have all my chairs, the dining room chairs, folding chairs, and then a rocking chair / glider. I got the one corner of my room, or the living room, cleared out. That hasn't been cleared out in, I would say, close to a month or so, and it's just been things that I've been kind of procrastinating on going through, bringing to their correct locations, putting away. A lot of it goes hand in hand with being pregnant and feeling not good, so I'm not using that necessarily as an excuse, but it is a reason why I haven't kept up on things as much as I would have liked to. But I got this side vacuumed, so I feel good that there's a little portion of clean in the house, but it's definitely getting there. The kitchen, I think, is going to be one of my hardest things to tackle, just because there's so much in the kitchen, and it's dishes. Dishes are not something that I really enjoy doing, especially since being pregnant. Something I kind of dread, and I was doing really good for about a week of keeping up, washing them. You know, you eat dinner at night, you wash all the dishes, you make sure you go to bed with a clean sink, a clean shiny sink, so you start the day fresh. But we had some people, we had my family over on Saturday night, and washing the dishes after that just did not happen. I was out of energy from cooking and things like that. So it's kind of just sat there and dwindled for a couple of days now. So now I'm really dreading doing it, especially when since I've been cleaning too, I've been finding dishes that have to get washed, and that's not really fun either, because then everything's like dried on, caked on. It's not fun going back and washing dishes that have been there for a while. So I'm going to try to get that stuff done before Colin gets home, which he probably will get home next 2-3 hours, give or take. He doesn't have a really set schedule because of his job. It's when the weather's nice he works, and when it's not nice he doesn't work. But they do try to get out between like 4 or 5, sometimes 3. It just depends on the day. So I'm going to try to get that done. Gives me about 2 or 3 hours to get stuff done before he gets home. So it's been probably about 2.5 hours or so since I last checked in with you guys, and like right after I finished filming the last thing that you saw, I got really nauseous and everything, so I had to go lay down. I didn't nap, I just laid down. But I just made myself some food. Colin is home. He has to go take his truck in to get some work done, and he's going to be working with my brother on that. And then later this evening, we're going to both be heading up to his mom's house just to drop something off for our birthday, which was last week. So I don't know how much more I'm going to get done, but we're going to shoot and see what I can get done, so I can get as much done as possible. So I just made myself some raviolis and sauce. So super simple. Raviolis were from Aldi. Really like their raviolis, and they're rather inexpensive, and then their meat sauce.